Before I moved into psychology, when I studied neuroscience, I focused first on vision. And I love optical illusions because, one, they're fun, and two, they actually teach us a lot about how the visual system works. In this picture, most people should see curved lines going from top to bottom on the screen. And yet, these lines are straight. So why is it that we see curves? Well, it has to do with where in the visual system we process information. In the first part of the visual cortex, in V1, near the back of the the brain actually has detectors for different orientations that it looks at by sort of extrapolating from the contrast of local regions in the visual field. So the reason these lines look curved is because those black and white rectangles are offset in a way that as you transition from two rectangles of the same color along that line to a switch, to a change, the line will now be perceived as moving because of that little corner between, say, the two black squares and where it transitions to a white square on one side, but not the other. And you can see that even if you look at those two center lines and notice on one side they curve out to one direction, and on the other they also curve out. Because in both cases, the white square shows up first on the outer edge before the transition away from black in the center region. And you can see this even more if I show you this. By putting a small square that maintains some of the transitional information, I can now disrupt the effect. And now what you see is that with the edge detection disrupted in this way, those lines should now look straight to you. It's pretty cool, huh? All right. If you like this kind of content, follow, and I will plan to do some more optical illusions in the near future.